Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andy. So I have had a nightmare of a day. I wanted to film this look on camera. It's the look with the, let me just get the palette, this palette here. So it's the Makeup Obsession Be in Love With palette. It wasn't meant to be. You might know if you've watched a few of my videos now that I've been having serious trouble with the external light. It's completely gone on me, so I need to buy a new one. So what that means is it probably take a few days to come to me, up to a week, so there won't be any videos really. I did want to do my Project Pan update tomorrow as well. I don't think that's going to happen unless I can get some really good lighting, like normal lighting. The lighting's been terrible recently, and that's why I always just use the external light that I've got that fits onto my horseshoe. So like I said, I have been using the Makeup Obsession Be in Love With palette. I want to see whether I want to keep it in the collection or like just depot a few of the eyeshadows out of it. So let me talk you through that. So this is what the palette looks like. So today I went in with Treasure first all over the crease, transition area, and then I went in just underneath with a Sigma pencil brush into the Bow shade. And also into the Outer V as well. And then I used Bond. Bond, without a shadow of a doubt, is the weakest eyeshadow in this palette, so if I depot anything, it will definitely be that shade. In the inner corner I've used Dreamer. It's really nice. It's a really nice bright inner corner highlight. I don't know what else I can say about it. I've also used Adoy, just on the brow bone and all over the eyelid to set a base. All the other shades I really do like. I love this shade here. I use this to do a Valentine's Day look, which is already on the channel, so if you do want to see the palette in action, you'll be able to see it. I just wanted to show you what I was doing with it today for day 7, look 7, week 5. This will be going up because I don't really have a choice. I don't have any footage at the moment that can go up for today's look, and this is the look that I've filmed. So yeah, it was just really simple, really neutral. So we can pop this one back. So we can pop that one back in the collection and use some more when my external light finally comes. I've not even ordered it yet, but I'm hoping it's not going to take over a week. I mean, look at my hair, it's a right mess. I'm hoping I'll be able to upload this to YouTube. I think I'm going to use iMovie to try and do that. It did let me upload a very short movie by so I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to upload this through iMovie. If not, then I'm really sorry guys. Maybe I will keep it and do day 7, look 7, week 5, but it could be a week later. And all the other eyeshadow palettes I pulled out of my Shop My Stash for this week, they're just gonna have to kind of get left, I think, and maybe I should use something else. I'm not too sure, but a little bit sad at the moment. So yeah, this concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.